Now we are
Let's
going to
play with
leverage double
statistics.
dash function in Excel. To do that, one of the quick and easy ways is that you can directly select the data range. And if anything below less than or equal to 5, I will say well within the spec. And if anything goes outside the 5, I will say out of specification or outlier. So let's see that. So how we can apply without applying if formula. This is your data range less than or equal to 5. Remember, if the value is less than or equal to 5, we are okay, right? So that means it is all should return as true value. You can see all has been written as true. This is like discrete data. And then further, if I make 6 here and come back and do that, so it is false. That means it is an outlier, right? So let's take the very case. So in turn, we can convert into open and close parenthesis. I'm doing it. I'm just applying it here, double dash. What it will do, it will convert the true and false into binary, zeros and ones. So now it is easy. So that means this is an outlier and all that. We can easily find it out, right? So now with that, we can find out what we can find out. We can find out pass percentage. We can find out fail percentage. We can find out PPM. We can find out sigma value and so on. Right? So pass, how we can do? So very, very simple. So in this same case, let's say I'm just adding it here. Since I've already done that dash function, I'll keep it here. This is pass. How much fail? So we have only one fail, right? So sorry. So the fail is only the fail is only one, right? So that means we can just take this 20 as a number because this is our one and then this. Okay. So how we can further convert into percentage? So to do that percentage, we know that simply we can divide 1 divided by 20 because we have 20 as a data. In terms of percentage, 0.05 is nothing but 5%. Very good. So now once it is, let me keep it in center. Okay. So once it is been done, we can convert into PPM. So 5 directly we can convert as 1E6. Right? So that means 50,000 PPM. If you convert, translate into PPM, it is 50,000. And then further what we can do, we can convert into sigma value, right? So sigma value is very interesting. Like you can see norms dot s dot inverse 1 minus ppm value divided by 1e6. That means again you are dividing returning by that the 1 million plus 1.5 is a shift. So this is a standard formula. So that means we are at 3 sigma, right? 3 point. So let me keep it only 2 digit is fine. 3.1 sigma, right? This is how it gives the same. Let's cross verify this one. Let's go to this 95 percentage is how much? So 50,000 and 3.14, exactly 3.14 we got. Now what I'm doing it, I'm increasing the outlier, right? What I'm doing it, I'm increasing the outlier. This is also an outlier, right? 7 is also an outlier. Remember, anything greater than 5 is an outlier. So I'll just call it as red. So this also is a problem. And then now we have that 10 percentage. If we say 10 percentage is 2.78. Let's say I'm just fixing all these issues, right? There is no issues here. Here also 5 and here also 4. There is no issues here, right? So in such cases, we know that if no issues is there, we can apply that formula. If error, if error and open parenthesis and then comma, double quote, it is 6 sigma. Great job. 6 sigma, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to invite the formula called random between 1 comma 6. So 6 is an outlier. So let's see, it has given 4 and it has given different values. So okay, I will convert into black font. Okay, so you see that the only one outlier we have, right? And if it is one outlier, 3.14. If it is two outlier we have here, so that is 10 percentage. That means 2.78. Like this, we can easily calculate the sigma value, PPM, and all that. So what will be very useful is that double dash also will be useful to indicate at the line item wise whether we have an outlier, whether we are going at the right track, right? Like this, we can easily convert this data. So even if you have that double-sided range, again, you can apply the if formula or if formula more than one condition, and then find out whether how many spec gone out of the limit, and then convert back to percentage, and you can still convert to percentage, and then what we can do, we can convert into sigma values and so on. I hope you find this one useful. Please do like, share, subscribe. You have a wonderful day.